this video, I'm going to absolutely simplify one of the most complex database administrator operations. It's all about automating the move of your database server from within your data center to Oracle Cloud. In fact, it's all about GoldenGate technology running in the background to move your data seamlessly. Using the wizard-based Near-Zero Downtime Manager application, the migration approach to the cloud is 100% automated, leaving no room for errors and any complex command to remember. Why do we need to do this? Simply, it's all about the business continuity during the journey to the cloud, where enterprise critical system must continue to operate normally during the transition to the cloud. In fact, it is unlikely the business user know about it until the CIO broadcasts his email saying, "Congratulations, my team, we're running on Oracle Cloud." Hello, my name is Fawzi Soimel. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I'm a member of the Oracle Data Integration Solution team. I've been working with Oracle technology since 1988. I specialized and love working with Oracle Database and Oracle GoldenGate. It's enough for now. Let's get started. Let's begin with the transformation roadmap. We will be working with 3 systems. The source, and we refer to it as the production system, Oracle GoldenGate 12c downstream system, and the target Oracle Database 12c running on Oracle Cloud. Before we begin, we will start the workload simulator on the production system, install Oracle GoldenGate on the downstream and the target systems. Once the install is completed, we will ensure Oracle GoldenGate 12c instances are running on the downstream and the target system. Configuring the redo transport on the source and the redo receiving on the downstream system. Once this is done, we will prepare the source and downstream database for GoldenGate 12c through parameter setting. Then we will deploy the Oracle GoldenGate instance integrated extract in the downstream and verify the trails are shipped successfully. Using the Recovery Manager to perform the entire database backup, this backup will be used for database cloning. And through FTP, we will transport the backup from the source to the target running on Oracle Public Cloud. Cloning the database, this is done as an online operation. Then we will use the database upgrade assistant to upgrade the cloned database. Configure and deploy the apply group on the target. Then we will start the database synchronization, terminate the application in the source, place the source database on restricted session, and then we will verify data conversions and perform data integrity check, which can be done using Oracle GoldenGate Validator. Once this is done, we will divert the application server to the Oracle database running on Oracle Cloud. We begin by starting the Near-Zero Downtime Manager, or NZDT Manager for short. NZDT Manager designed to perform near-zero downtime for on-premise to on-premise database upgrade and on-premise to any cloud database migration and upgrade. For security purpose, log into the source database, which is referred to as the production, and to Oracle GoldenGate 12c downstream systems are required. This is done by either clicking on the checkbox to use the password store or manually enter the username system password, and the database connect string. Again, for the downstream system, enter the username system password, and the database connect string for the Oracle GoldenGate downstream systems. Once ready, click OK. Upon successful login, step 1, display the source and downstream database description. Now I must select the desired option. Option 1 performs near-zero downtime database upgrade from on-premise to on-premise. Option 2 performs near-zero downtime database migration and upgrade from on-premise to Oracle Cloud. I will select option 2 and click Next. Step 2 detects the operating environment for the source database. It detects if the database is running on multi-instance or single instance, and the storage type. Is it file system or automatic storage management, ASM? Next, we need to select the target operating environment. In my case, I will select the default. The database running in cloud as single instance, and the storage type is file system. Click Next to continue. Step number 3 allows you to enter the source database system details manually, which include the following: the host name, the IP address, the database global name, Oracle credential, operating system credentials, system password, the Oracle database home, and the upgrade scripts directory. Or you can just click on seed from file, and it would read from a configuration file and fill in the details automatically. Step number 4 allows you to enter the Oracle GoldenGate 12c system details manually, which include the following: the host name, the IP address, the global database name, the Oracle credential, the operating system credential, system password, Oracle home, GoldenGate home, and the upgrade script. Instead, you may select seed from file, which will enter the detail from a configuration file. Step number 5 allows you to enter the target database system details manually, which include the following: the host name, the IP address, the database global name, Oracle credential, operating system credential, system password, Oracle home, GoldenGate home, and the upgrade script directory. Or you may just select seed from file, which will enter all the detail for your target system from a configuration file. Step 6 of the wizard is the starting of the workload simulator. The workload should remain running throughout the migration and upgrade to the cloud. There are 4 workload levels: low, medium, high, and extreme. For now, I will select the high workload option and click Next to continue. Step 7 of the wizard performs Oracle GoldenGate 12c installation on the downstream and the target systems. The green circles indicate the source and downstream database are running. There are 2 methods to install Oracle GoldenGate 12c: the Oracle Universal Installer Graphical User Interface method and the Silent Mode method. NZDT Manager empowers the Silent Mode method. Click on the tab Install for installation of Oracle GoldenGate 12c on the target and verify the manager process is running. Then click on the lower Install for installation of Oracle GoldenGate 12c on the downstream, and once it is completed, verify the manager process running for now only. Click Next to continue. Step 8 of the wizard, configure the redo transport by performing the following steps. Step number 1, recreate the database password file on the source and copy it over to the downstream system. Step number 2, test the newly created password file by connecting to the source and to the downstream system as SysDBA. Step number 3, configure the source database parameters for redo shipping. Step number 4, create the redo transport directories on the downstream system. Step number 5, configure the downstream database parameters for redo receiving. Step number 6, create the standby redo look files and verify the step created successfully. And the last step, step number 7, verify the redo files are shipped successfully. Step 9 of the wizard, deploys Oracle GoldenGate 12c integrated capture. The step perform the following settings. Step 1, prepare the source database parameters. Step number 2, prepare the downstream database parameters. Step number 3, use GoldenGate software command interface to log into the source and downstream database to perform the following steps. Number 1, register the integrated extract with the database. Number 2, verify the integrated extract has been registered successfully. And number 3, add table level supplemental logging. Step number 4, deploy Oracle GoldenGate instance on the downstream system. And step number 5, verify Oracle GoldenGate 12c trails are sent to the target running on Oracle Cloud successfully. Step 10 of the wizard, it is time for the database cloning on the Oracle Cloud. The NZDT Manager empowers the Oracle Recovery Manager for executing the database backup and the database cloning. We begin with task number 1, performing entire database backup, which include the database files, the database current control file, and the archived log files. Next, task number 2, sending the entire backup to Oracle Cloud using one of the supported methods, which include FTP, secure copy, and DBMS file transfer PL/SQL API, which require a database on the Oracle Cloud. I will use the FTP method for moving the database file to Oracle Cloud. Each file that is part of the backup has a maximum file size of 512 MB, so that in case of transport failure, the transport will begin following the last successful file transport. Now it is time for task number 3, cloning the database using rman duplicate command. This command runs on Oracle Cloud. The last but not least is task number 4. It is sending the database point-in-time clone system change number, or SCN. SCN is needed by Oracle GoldenGate 12c apply group running on Oracle Cloud. Step 11 of the wizard, it is upgrading the migrated database on Oracle Cloud. The NZDT Manager empowers the database upgrade assistant silent mode in order to upgrade the database from Oracle Database 11G to Oracle Database 12c on Oracle Cloud. We begin with task number 1 by running the database upgrade prepare scripts. Once it is completed, task number 2, run the database pre-upgrade scripts. Once it is completed, then we begin the major task, Task number 3, it is the database upgrade. Database upgrade lasts for approximately 1 hour. Once the database upgrade completes successfully, the last but not least, it is task number 4, running post-database upgrade scripts. Step 12 of the wizard, it is time for the database synchronization in Oracle Cloud. It begins with task number 1, creating the Oracle GoldenGate 12c apply group. Then, task number 2, we begin the synchronization by applying the Trails files to the database running in the Oracle Cloud. Task number 3, it is time to stop the application servers running for the on-premise database. Task number 4, to ensure data consistency, we will place the on-premise database on restricted sessions. Task number 5, verify the on-premise database and the in-cloud database are in sync. Once this is done, finally, task number 6, diverting the application server to the in-cloud database. Step 13 of the wizard is a summary. It confirms you have successfully migrated your database to Oracle Cloud. It takes approximately 2 hours to migrate and upgrade the database from on-premise to infrastructure as a service IaaS running in Oracle Cloud. And that completes the migration to IaaS demonstration.